Welcome to the best part of the day. I brought you out just after dawn, where the air is still and the sun is yet to break through the haze. This has got to be my favourite time of the day, when new day is dawning and the world is waking up and everything is peaceful. This is absolutely stunning. Got gentle ripples coming across on the top of the lake, yet there's no wind at all. There's hardly any signs of life, except for some fishermen in the distance and the odd dog walker and jogger. I burnt my morning tea cake toast, but it doesn't matter. It's made up for by the views. It's all kicking off over there. I think they're having a bit of a domestic dispute. New dawn every day, and we hardly see any of them. We sleep through it. I don't know about you, but I get up in the morning. One of the first things I do is put the TV on. And I inevitably just put the news on and look at all the doom and gloom in the world. And it's not good for the mind, is it? But it's a routine most of us get into. So it's an absolute pleasure to come out to somewhere like this. Make the effort, come out first thing in the morning, whilst everyone's asleep and in their beds, and just to enjoy nature, just to balance out the mind. The mist is starting to lift now, and you can see more of the hills beyond the lake. Oh, and a dog. Oh, hello matey. Hello. Oh dear. I have to protect my toast then, just in case. Toast is safe. Cooking me toast on a titanium lid from my lovely mess kit was probably not the best idea, but it's such a beautiful thing, and it's also compact. It just works exceedingly well. Absolutely love it. It's a fine companion to the Firebox Nano with gas. That's the titanium version. They work really well together. One of the reasons I brought along this Firebox Nano in combination with this little titanium mess tin I've got is that it all just fits in there so well. And you can just throw everything in. Oh, and me rubbish. Mustn't forget me rubbish. It takes it takes up hardly any space at all. I'll give it a wash out when I get home. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I feel like I really don't want to leave. But that sun is really starting to break through now. And it's going to be another super hot day. It's supposed to get up to over 30 Celsius again. So it's going to be hot and sweaty. Seems to be a dragonfly having a bath just by that grass there. And there's another one just to the right. Never seen him do that before. He's hidden behind that grass. There's another one just here on this other piece of grass. And he's doing the same thing just to the right. I don't know how well this is focused in. He's just chillaxing. I'm doing my best to get him in, but I can't see the screen. He looks dead, but I don't think he is. And his mate there just resting on the grass. I appreciate that I was enjoying that moment and you probably wasn't, because you didn't see anything in focus. I totally get it. I was trying to look on this little tiny screen. Hopefully I've got something in. This is absolutely stunning this morning. If you get the opportunity and you get some time on your hands and you get beautiful days like this, it's well worth just making that a little bit of effort and getting up early and just getting out and enjoying what nature has to offer. I'll try and keep stunning scenery in the background as we walk along. Quick word about YouTube. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but I'll do my best to make the best quality videos I can. Some of them don't work out. Some of them, they kind of work out. And view wise, a month or two ago I was starting to really pick up a lot of momentum and starting to get a lot of views, so I haven't really changed that much. I've just tried to make it a bit more the production quality a little bit better, you know, with views and cameras and all the rest of it, making it nice and pleasant to watch. And the whole thing seems to have fallen off a cliff. I don't know why. I don't know if it's something I'm doing or whether it's something in YouTube world. Maybe it's the World Cup, maybe it's people are just out and about and they can't be asked to be sat in front of the TV. I really don't understand it. So if you've got any ideas what I could do better to engage more with you, as in you get more enjoyment out of this sort of stuff, because I really enjoy it. I enjoy going along making little videos, and it's just a hobby for me really, but I'd like a bit of success as well, so I do my absolute best to make it nice, you know, so you people out there who may not be able to get out for whatever reason, maybe you live in a high-rise flat, or maybe you've got a disability and you can't get out much, you know, that sort of thing, so you can enjoy this as much as I do. So if you've got any ideas where I can improve or anything else you'd like to see, then, you know, just leave a comment and let me know and I'll do my best. Although there looks to be quite a lot of water in the lake, you can really see how much the level has dropped. Those sluice gates there and all this concrete malarkey is to help with overflow, and it sends the water off downstream. Not much chance of that at the moment. It's 8:15 in the morning. I'm beginning to sweat already, and it's only the beginning of July. Oh, I just can't comprehend what it's going to be like in August. Thanks for coming along with me. I'll leave you with the view.